Hey, good afternoon everyone. Tyler Evans here, and today I'll be proving that the derivative of the inverse cosine of x is equal to -1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So the first thing we'll do is we will set the inverse cosine of x equal to y. So y equals cosine inverse of x. So if this is true, then that would mean x is equal to cosine of y. So from here, we'll actually get the derivative of both sides. So the derivative of x is simply 1. The derivative of cosine of y is negative sine y. It would kick out a chain, which would simply be the derivative of y to the derivative of x. So dy dx. Perfect. The next step, we will actually divide negative sine y to the left-hand side. And let me rewrite it. So it'll be dy dx equals, we can actually make it -1 all over sine of y. So this is perfect. I know it's terrible handwriting, but we will deal with it for now. Over here, what we're going to do off to the side is we're going to use this sine y to actually get up here to the final answer. And the way we'll do that is with a Pythag variation of Pythag ID variation. So we all know Pythag ID is sine squared of theta, y, what have you, plus, in this case we're using y, plus cosine squared y is equal to 1. We'll get the cosine, we will isolate the sine squared, so sine squared y is equal to 1 minus cosine squared y. From here, what we can easily do is get the square root of both sides. And what this will give us on the left-hand side will give us sine y. These will cancel, the square root will cancel out the exponent. Come over on the right-hand side, and it'll be 1 minus cosine squared y all under a square root. So we can substitute this sine y in over here. So let me rewrite it dead center now. So it'll be dy dx is equal to -1 all over the square root of 1 minus cosine squared y. So this looks very similar. The one thing we're missing, now if you remember at an earlier step, we know that cosine of y is equal to x. So cosine squared of y is equal to x squared. So the final thing we'll rewrite it as is dy, the derivative of y to the derivative of x is equal to -1, broken chalk, all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Quod erat demonstratum. So we proved it. Perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.